In this introductory video, we would like to explain the contents of the new BlueSPACE Analytics. The purpose and goal of this product was to build a multidimensional structure around your IBM Cognos BA usage and utilization of those BI objects. The cube has 4 multidimensional levels. Let's explore these levels together. The first multi-dimension I'd like to talk about is the user session analytics. This folder contains user logons and user logoffs, of course username, and a few shared dimensions like time, day of the month, weekdays, and host information. The next folder multi-dimension I'd like to talk about is packages and report utilization. In this folder, we have the same shared dimensions of time and day, host name, username, report type, but we have a few other things like report error details, report status, report time, report type, report name, and package. The next folder would be any scheduled activity, such as reports that were scheduled, reports and jobs that are scheduled to be bursted, or any event activity that may be triggered on an event status. The fourth level gives you a deeper dive into our help desk tickets that are coming out of Blue Alliance, another product that we've just recently launched. It shows you ticket status, ticket priority, who's it's assigned to, how long have those tickets been open, lots of great information. Now that we've covered most of the dimensions in the folders, let's just run back through and go through some of the measures that may be available to us. So in the user session analytics, we'll have a session measures folder. In there we have session count, user count, average and total counts and durations. Under the package and report utilization, some of the measures that we're going to have inside there are going to be session counts, report counts, user counts, success and failure counts, execution time, and average and ratio. And then under the scheduled report SLA analytics, some of the measures that we may have under there are going to be success and fail count, total run, and ratios. Okay, let's run through a couple examples here. Let's see if we can figure out who our top users are at Blue Bank, and that top user, what days of the week are they using the platform the most? And maybe what times of the day are they using the platform? So let's run through this example. So we would need to go into let's go into the package and report utilization. And let's go ahead and say we're going to do session count. And we're going to need username. So let's bring in our username. And we're going to need to do this probably by time. So let's bring in some time. Let's do year-to-date growth. And we're going to need to sort this to get our top users up to the top. Okay, and we need to apply one more filter that we need our Blue Bank as our hosted site that we need to check. And so we have now Megan Henry is our top user year to date at Blue Bank. And let's see if we can figure out some more information about her. Let's see what kind of reports maybe she's running. So let's go ahead and just click on her name. And let's replace her name with the reports that she's running. So as you can see now, the filter has moved her name for Blue Bank and her as one location. I need to do a sort one more time to get those top reports that she's running. So now we can see the UE checker is the top report that she's been running year to date. Let's bring in, those are the reports that she's running. And we also wanted to figure out what the time slots report types. Let's see, just so we can see here what kind of type reports they were. We can see here, looks like most of them are non-scheduled reports, so she's manually running them. And let's take a look at the time slots of when she's running these reports. We can see most of it is in business hours, but we're going to go down even a little bit further. You can see most of them are during the day, but even off hours, we still have a few that are being run off hours. So that gives us a lot of detail very easily to get an inside look of our user statistics for our IBM Cognos environment.